Good evening, everybody. It's been a long day. Let me just position the camera properly. A little bit better. And okay. Good evening, everyone. It's been a few days, if I'm not mistaken. Too much. Sorry about it. Okay, so it's been 2 days since I did the live stream. I have been coding before that. What I have been doing is I did a few changes to the website. There's a lot to do. Like I did include the YouTube channel where you can watch it and you can just subscribe straight. And I include also over here a link to the YouTube website, and I try to change the color. Sorry, because it is too small, you can't really see it now. Just if I expand a little bit, you can see it goes to blue. I tried to do it, but I couldn't find how yet. I'm going to find it and I'm going to change it. So this is under let's say under construction still. I have to make a page for every single one of those, which is going to take some time. And yeah, this is going to be a very slow progress. First of all, freeCodeCamp is the main thing I want to concentrate on. And yeah, let's see. I always forget to put my phone on. Okay. Now it's a little bit better. And okay, let's see where I left off with my landing page. I left off with a problem. I left off with a big problem. First of all, I was doing the navigation bar, and as you can see, it's not really working properly. It doesn't fill the whole page, and I have this error over here where it says that it expects a bracket. And why? I don't understand why it does expect a bracket. Because it already has, you see? It's already marked over here. I have this one, and then I have this one. There's something hogging a lot of resources. But I have no idea what it is. Let me just do a simple check. Oh, but today we have a drink. And today's drink is Jeju Mandarin, or is it also known as Kangyu? Is it? It's flipped. Wait, it's flipped, right? The images. Yep, this is not nice. This is not nice at all. Let me see if I can change this actually. Just give me a second. And see if I can do something about it. Nope. Wrong. Sorry about it. Oh no, you can't see because I haven't applied the changes. This is nice. Oh, okay. Now we're better. Let me just transition to it. Okay, perfect. what I'm gonna need to do is I need to do this also as well, flip vertically, and then flip vertically. Okay, so yeah, what I was saying is this drink is juice from a mandarin fruit, or as it's also known in Korea as kamgyul. It grows on the island of Jeju. It's the most... Oops. Wait, I gotta go offline for a second. Enjoy the music while I am out. hello there again. Sorry for being out for a second. And apparently, because I removed my headphones from the jack, it also stopped the music. And when I said that just wait for a little bit and enjoy the music, looks like nobody could enjoy the bloody music because it was stopped. Sorry about it. Wow, sorry about this. Okay, let's go back to coding again. Let's see what's happening here. I'm trying to fix this problem where you can see that the VSC code tells me there is a problem with my CSS, and I have no idea why. I try to see if it's because I missed a semicolon or something in this, I guess, aspect, like something in the typo problem, but it's not. It makes sense. You can see like there is a bracket and then I close it. If I don't put this guy, it tells me that it misses a semicolon, but then you see over here. Okay, so this is a semicolon I missed. Okay, and then again it tells me that a bracket is expected. Where? There is a bracket over here because I opened it. So I have to remove this guy. And then it expects a bracket. Why do you expect it? Over here you expect a bracket? But it breaks everything. It doesn't make any sense. There shouldn't be a bracket over there. Like this guy. Let me just beautify it for a second. You see, yeah, this is how it should be done. We close this guy off and then we start with the media, then we tell the max width we desire, and then we open with a bracket, tell it to wrap. If I close this off, it still doesn't make sense. It still expects a bracket. And I'm at the verge of cursing because I'm mad. I'm getting really pissed with this. Like, look at this effing something. Like, it doesn't make any bloody sense. Like, why? Okay, I'm gonna remove this guy. It still doesn't work. A true or selector expected. Why? I've already closed the header. You see, look at how much something is expected. Apparently it works for the person who coded the project itself, because it does not require them. It doesn't look, it's pretty much the same. I compared it and it's the same thing, but no. I really have no idea what to do with this. And then we have the header. Blah 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 blah. We put the color, okay, and then we have the add media. Then we have a max width. We specify the width of it. Okay, I'm gonna even make it the same. Sorry about the interruption again. I just have to check on something. Okay, oops, my bad. There was a message and I wanted to check who's voting, but first we need to continue on with the stream, and then I'm going to do all the personal stuff. Okay, so we have the same thing. I did the same size as them and we flex wrap it. Okay, then they close it off, then bang bang, and then we have the logo with the specified width, media, open it up, something something something, close it, and then you specify the image, which is this until at media. And then we tell that media is this much, and then we have margin, and then you close it off, and then you close it to 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have a font weight, and then we have this. Oof. And then we do this, close it off, then we tell the list to be this with a closed off. I didn't close it off apparently, and then bang bang, 2 of them on. Okay, and then we have UL with the width of this, and then this. Okay, and then you have 3 of them. No problem, same thing, like literally the same. Oh. Apparently it looks a little bit off balance on the camera, so now it should be better. Apparently it looks better, I don't know. Okay. And I'm really stuck over here. I have no idea why. Save it. Again, no change. fold. There should be a fold. How do you fold this thing? If I close this off, exactly, I'm gonna have only one. If I do the same with the list, what is it going to be? Exactly. And then with this media, and then the list should be inside, which it is inside. And then if we close off the nav, let me just see what's happening. Bang! Everything goes inside. I don't know why it does not accept it. I really have no idea what's it. I try to look for it. Should I try again? Oh, sorry, I forgot the name of the website. It's not Google, it's Stack Overflow. And then, oh sorry about that, I'm getting sleepy. Today I had to work on another side project that I've been working on for some time. I just couldn't complete it. Let me just I don't think you'll see it, but I'm using one password for my password management, I guess you would say it. And then over here, oh my god, whoops, sorry. And then what I'm going to do is CSS bang expect. I wonder if somebody had the same problem. You know what, maybe somebody had the same problem with me on freeCodeCamp, which let's check on freeCodeCamp. And what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go and ask on the Gitter community if anyone has any idea what's going on. There should be you can see this is the weird light reflecting in my glasses is LED light. So if I turn it off, magic. But you can see that the light is a little bit harsh, so that's why I turn it on. Now, to be honest, you don't really notice the difference, right? Same thing. Turn it off. I'm not gonna have lasers out of my ass now, so you can look at my white hair over here for a second. Sorry, okay. Looks like, I don't know. Wait. The product landing page. I'm really stuck with the product landing page and I really don't like it. I would love to finish maybe, you know what I'm gonna do? Let me see if it's gonna work in CodePen. It shouldn't work, in my opinion, but maybe that's the problem itself. Let's check it on. Let's go to CodePen and see if I copy the text from Visual Studio Code, then I put it on CodePen, if it's gonna work. If it works, that would be a miracle in my opinion. Well, let's see. I'm just gonna log in for a second. Log in with my GitHub. It should be authorized already, but okay. Yeah, I got an email from GitHub that I've been logged in through the platform, which is, I know because I did it myself. Let me see the dashboard. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm going to duplicate this fellow over here. If I could, how do I duplicate you? I'm gonna fork it from myself. And then landing page. What I'm going to do over here is, this is the script. Really helpful. This is a script I don't want to touch. And then I'm going to get over here, delete this. I don't want to touch the JavaScript. So I'm just going to catch everything from over here and just scroll down. Bang, get rid of these bastards. Oops, sorry. And then we take the CSS. I'm gonna copy it over here. And then now it makes sense because I don't have the logo. The logo, what I did is I put it in the folder that I'm going to use it, but it's not in the folder now. So looks like I'm gonna have to link it from GitHub, and that complicates a lot. Okay, I get it. Let's go to GitHub. Whoops, again. Oh, why am I so sleepy today? Maybe because I overate this, like I ate this Burger King, like this Monster X or something. It's ginormous. I underestimated Burger King today and I regret it. I shouldn't have underestimated the name of a burger that goes Monster and then there's X at the end of it, like it makes it extreme. And you don't wanna F around with extreme stuff, right? Because you're gonna get your ass beat. A little bit of juice. Okay. Let's see. I should have the image linked. You can see this one works properly. Use the video because it's already uploaded, but what actually I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to copy the whole SVG code itself and see if this takes us anywhere. And what I did was, in the navigation bar, you know what, let me just save this friend over here if it's not saved. I think both of them are saved, yep. And I'm gonna close it down. And let me just switch the views for a second. Okay, and I'm going to put this one in full screen, which I also forgot how to do, so it doesn't break. Okay, we have everything in full screen. We have the website on the site. I wonder if I could change the position of it. Oh yes, I can. Perfect. Just close it so we can have a bigger. That's one thing I like about, like, sometimes I don't like wide screens, like especially the 16:19, because they feel too wide and too short, I guess. But just not the right amount of being tall, like not the right ratio in my opinion. I do prefer 16:10 or 4:3, which is also a nice ratio in my opinion. It's a little bit more squarish, but still it's not this uselessly wide. I'm not gonna watch a movie, I wanna work, and if I wanna work, I wanna see something which is a bit bigger, like a little bit taller, so there's more information. Like, you don't scroll on a website from left to right, you scroll on a website from up to down, so it makes sense to be taller, right? If you're reading something, also the text doesn't scroll. You're not gonna read one line of text that's going to be like this several megabytes long. You're going to have it separate on pages, and it's just the ratio is better for work in my opinion. That's why some people, they turn around the screen from wide, they make it tall. If you can, I can, but it's not automatic, and I don't know if I can do it on the. Should we try, or should we not? I don't know if I can change the orientation on the Mac screen. In Windows it's possible, and if this monitor that I bought, the SSN screen, was connected with the Windows PC, it just has automatic switch, so if I just flip the monitor itself, it's gonna switch. But looks like I don't have it over here. Yep, nothing over here. And probably nothing from the menu itself, in my opinion. There is the button for auto rotation. Should I do a test? Should I not? I am actually curious. Okay, let's do it live. I don't know, you're not gonna see any difference on the live, but I'm going to just detach it for a second from the magic cover. And nope, it's not working. Yeah, it does not work on the Mac, which is a little bit disappointing. But after all, Asus clients are not going to be mainly using a Mac, and it's mainly done for their ZenBook series as a cover. Sometimes in the behind, but it's not impossible. Actually, the magnets are catching on really nice. Okay, it should be okay now. No, it does not have the automatic rotation. Sorry, you couldn't see it. I don't have the capabilities yet. So yeah, well, how should I fix the lower? Weird. Definitely. Okay. Just give me a second. I'm going to be offline for a little bit, not offline, but I'm going to be right back for a little bit. See you in a second. And I'm back. Sorry, I had to. Oops, sorry. I have hiccups for some reason. I don't know why. They just popped out of nowhere. Oh, sorry. Oh, here I can get rid of that. And I also made the logo work by copying the URL from GitHub, and wow, it's a huge one. God damn, it takes a lot. Oh wow. Oh wow. And we have the CSS over here. Oh, sorry. Oh, I have no idea why. But yeah, let's see what's gonna happen if the... I really don't know why it's this broken now. Okay, let's see. We have the header over here, and then we have the logo. And what I did was, sorry, got it. Wait, did I put a class or an ID? I think I put both class and ID. Wow, that's a little strong. Wow. Is it why it's not working? But it has a class of Yeah, it has a class of logo. And I have a class of logo over here. Wait, did I fold everything behind it? For some reason. I don't want to fold everything behind, I just want to fold the div. Wait a second. Oops. Sorry. don't understand why it changes the color of flex wrap on mine, but it doesn't change the color of flex wrap on the code by. It's literally the same thing. Like literally it's the same. And it still doesn't work. I don't have a header image ID. Yeah, of course, because there's an H over there. Because expecting HTTPS. Can I link it from Dropbox? Should I try? I hope I don't get banned from Dropbox. See if it's going to work now. Apparently I can add the Dropbox logo. Let's see if it's going to work, because this link is absolutely humongous. Just look at this monster over here. Okay. Within the header element, I can see a nav element with the corresponding ID of nav bar. Within the header element, yes, this is the header element. I have the image, then I have nav bar with the corresponding ID. Okay, looks like I don't have the ID of nav bar, which is my bad. When I pick nav link button on the nav element, I am taken to the corresponding section of the landing page. I have the video, which it should have a video ID. Sorry, you see? I did make some mistake over there. Apparently I'm failing only 2, and the SVG file does not load properly. Of course it's not going to load properly because it's not properly linked. And I do feel like I'm gonna get my ass banned from Dropbox, which is not very nice, because I use Dropbox a lot. Script, I have the font, the font awesome installed. Yeah. apparently it doesn't work like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do all the changes again in Visual Studio Code, and what I did was looks like I'm going to have to make a post on the forum and see what other people have to say about it. The problem was with I had a problem with the nav bar, if I'm not mistaken. Page wrapper header logo content. But it did not work properly. Let's have a as a moment. Header image. And what I did have is I'm gonna change the proper screen over here. Okay. In H, I have an H over here which is useless. And then I don't have the video. I have it as probably I won't have a video ID over here. So what I'm going to do is put a video. Then I'm going to write a post about it. I'm stuck with the CSS on the header section, and the sizing especially.
No idea what's happening.
Okay, I created a post on the forum, and I guess I'm gonna wait until tomorrow because I can't really do anything about it. I pasted part of the code over here. I pasted the CSS itself and the code pen. And yeah, let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, yeah, I guess I'm gonna be this for today. I can't do anything about it. If it's not working, I don't want to go on. I just want to fix this problem first and then go on. But yeah, do something else. Okay, yeah. Yeah, this is from me for today. Let's hit over here. This is going to be for me for today. I don't know. Something is wrong with the code, and I have no idea why and what is wrong with the code. Let's see. I compared it with what when I first wrote it. There were some changes, so that's why I did exactly like I just retyped it the same as the freeCodeCamp 1, the freeCodeCamp challenge, the example code, and I compared it again. It's the same thing. There is no difference. Like even the brackets and everything is the same. It just doesn't work. The difference is going to be the IDs of the classes. There should be some of them are different, so that's why I made them. I matched them with my code, and it still doesn't work. It still says that it expects a closing bracket, and I don't know why. And so let's hope that somebody's going to help me tomorrow. I would really appreciate some help. But the community is really helpful, so that's one thing I know that somebody's going to reply very soon. Okay, yeah, I guess this is for me for today. Oops, wrong one again. You know, go to freeCodeCamp. You can always go, oops, this is BB8, everybody. But no, the BB8 is not the point now. freeCodeCamp, if you want to study code for free, you don't need to pay anything, and it's, in my opinion, it's one of the best resources there is. And then this is my camera, the thing you're looking at now. I should actually remove this one. I don't need this one. And then these are the tools I'm using. If you're interested, what was the code, the text editor that I used? It is VS, Visual Studio Code by Microsoft. And the streaming tool I'm using is OBS. It's a free open source tool. You can always just look for OBS and it's gonna pop up the first thing in Google. This is my Twitter account. Follow me. For I haven't tweeted a lot these days, but I'm gonna try more. And if you're interested in what songs we're playing, over here. It's weird, like I'm looking over there, but yeah, so this is over here. You can see where the song is. Yeah, follow button or subscribe button is going to be probably down here, maybe. Like button should be somewhere over here, like probably in this area. And then subscribe should be somewhere over here. And if you're using the classic style, there should be comment section over here or over here if you're using the widescreen one. Yeah, subscribe for more. In the future, when I have some more tools, I'm gonna try to make some different videos. Let's see how it's gonna happen. I would like to talk more about user experience design and how important it is actually when you're coding. And yeah, okay, this is for today. Goodbye everybody, enjoy this song, and then I'm gonna cut off the video. Bye bye, good night.